Hello and welcome to Invisible at Machine. Very exciting day. I'm going to show you how to integrate an application, an animated GIF image application, integrate an ad network of your choice into the application, and have it ready to upload into the App Store. So this is very, very exciting stuff. Generating revenue right away as soon as you upload and integrate these themes with ads. So here we go. Let's start with the example animated GIF. So I found a GIF. Let's call it. Let me see here. Sunrise moon. I found a GIF image. Now keep in mind the GIF image I'm using for this is not mine. I do not own it. So I'm just using this as an example. Now the GIF images that you want to use, the GIF images that you want to create and upload into either Google Play or some of the other engines, third-party engines, you need to own the GIF image. So there are many, many places where you can buy GIF images, where you can have them made at very, very cheap. So keep this in mind and just be careful, because the image that I'm going to show you is not mine. I do not own it. I'm using it as an example for you in this video. Ocean waves, wallpaper, all this. Ocean waves, moonlight, maybe. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm taking the image. I'm choosing a 512 by 512. Oops, not that one. Sorry. I do make a few here. Oh, here it is. 512 by 512, which is required for the icon to identify the application. And the GIF image is the image of the ocean waves and the moonlight. So integrating that. Now you can automatically, if you press yes, you can change the package name if you choose to. I like to keep it on a default, but for some of you developers, I know that sometimes you'd like to change the package name to something that more resembles your developer account, either with Google or some of the other third-party networks. But you can change this. You can change the version number. You can change the version name. For all intents and purposes, I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to keep everything the same. I'm going to add the option of having screenshots at the end, and you'll see what I'm talking about on the other side of the application. So you're going to get to choose to also have random screenshots that are Google ready to upload into the App Store. Now this should not be final screenshots. These are just generic quick screenshots. For much more added benefit, I do suggest creating your own custom designed screenshots, better quality screenshots for your apps. But this is just enough to get you into the App Store and get the revenue pushing or moving in the right direction. So AP, so I'm doing the verification, and I'm going to submit the ad. And automatically the app generator created the screenshots, random screenshots, as you can see, and it created the APK file that is without any ads. Now let me just make it very clear. If you take the APK file from this location, it will have no ads in the APK. There will be no ads. It's just a simple application that you can probably just put on your phone without any ads or anything. If that's just something you want to do, then go ahead, you can grab that right here. Now if you want to integrate ads, this is the fun part. You press the bonus feature here. So let's take you here. So automatically my ad integration integrated the APK, and now you get to choose which ad network you'd like to use. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use AirPush. So I'm going to take that information I've already created. I'm going to take the AirPush. So you just, and again, each ad network has their own API key or some sort of app ID. So let's take the API key, and let's take the app identifier 284972. 284972, and this is all I'm going to use. Now, in some cases, you can stack a few networks. I'm not doing it for this one. I'm just going to choose one network, AirPush, Let's see what we got here. So that's Air Push Bundle 1. We don't want that. You only have the option of Bundle 1 or Bundle 2, so let's leave those alone. And just Air Push, regular Air Push, the original SDK from Air Push. And I think we're good to go there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate this. I'm going to take these ads that I've integrated, the SDK from this specific ad network, and I'm going to integrate it into this APK file. And it is building the app, and this is in real time. So it takes about 20 seconds to integrate the ad network from the app, from the original application. As you can see, this just opened up a separate screen, so you can still swipe the screenshots simply by just saving the image into your file. And it saves it as a PNG. Here we go. We download. Now the app is done. So now what we do is we download the app and we're going to save it. And we're going to save this app in our file and we're going to go ahead and test it. So now I emailed the app to myself and now I'm going to test it on my phone. So you just press just once. Let it install on your phone. Pretty simple. This is, now keep in mind, this is something that I just made in about 5 minutes. And let's set the live wallpaper. And as you can see, it is right here. Ocean Waves Moonlight, which I just created. And here you go. You have yourself an application that is ready to upload. Here you can go to the settings screen and you can choose, you see the ad that popped up? Now this is the ad from AirPush. So just to show you that the ads do work. So you can skip the ad. You don't want that. And you can change the speed. You can change the frame. You can change the speed. You can change the frames per second. You can even change the size. And here you go. Set the wallpaper. And you are in business for an app that is ready to upload into the any store that you want, whether it's Google Play or any of the other 50 bigger platforms, third-party platforms. So congratulations, you just made your first app, and let this be the beginning of many.